Given is a romance drama, boys love manga written by Natsuki Kizu, adapted into an anime and a movie by Studio Lerche, directed by Hikaru Yamaguchi, and written by Yuniko Ayana. Given centers on the story of 4 musicians, 2 in high school, 2 in college. The 2 in high school, Mafuyu and Uenoyama, first meet in a very awkward situation, but become fast friends and eventually romantic interests. The 11-episode anime mostly focuses on Mafuyu's story of his past love, his loss, his heartache, his struggle to put into words what he feels, to try and express himself. In the process of the 11 episodes, we see him become more open, come to terms with his emotions, his feelings, his struggles, his past, his former friends. He learns to play the guitar and writes a song. And when he plays that song and sings, everything becomes clear. He was hurting all the time after the loss of someone he loved. But the song is not just sad and painful. It also gives you a sense of hope for the future, of maybe things getting better, which is why it's so great. We also get to see Uenoyama's perspective, his realization that he might just be in love with a guy. He's coming to terms with possibly being gay and asking whether something's wrong with him is a really powerful moment, and I think it's possibly one of the best LGBT moments in anime I've seen recently. The given movie, on the other hand, mostly focuses on the college students, Akihiko and Haruki. Their relationship is complicated, to say the least. Akihiko is struggling between a former boyfriend he still lives with and his passion for music and the violin, while Haruki is clearly in love with him, and they both need to realize how they actually feel, what they actually want, how they want to move forward. In the process of it all, we also see the perspective of Akihiko's former boyfriend, Ugetsu, who kind of becomes friends with Mafuyu and helps him realize what he wants to write about next. And the song Mafuyu writes, once again, makes everyone feel all their feelings, realize what they want, how they feel towards each other, and makes them realize what they need to do to move on. It's really hard for me to describe how I feel about Given, or rather how it makes me feel. I'm both happy and sad, and excited and emotional, and depressed and hopeful at the same time. The story it tells, even though I'm not a gay man, obviously, nor am I a musician, nor have I experienced the death of a person I loved, yet I still find all the stories it tells relatable, mostly because of the central theme of love and moving on. Of course, we all had breakups in our lives, heartbreaks, experienced loneliness, and maybe even depression, but I just relate to these stories on a very personal level, which is kind of stupid because the last real heartbreak I experienced was almost 7 years ago. But apparently I'm still not 100% over it, so yeah. And Mafuyu's songs of letting go, of moving forward, hope of finding a new hand to hold, they mean so much. They don't cure my heartache by any means. No song will ever be able to accomplish that. But these songs are so beautiful in every single aspect that they reach right down into my soul and crush it. For the few minutes I listen to Mafuyu's songs, my heart hurts, I cry, I am sad and happy at the same time. I am very depressed, but also kinda hopeful. It's just a random mix of emotions I cannot possibly put into words properly. But these songs and this anime, they're just simply special. Most people, mostly cis-het guys, will probably find the boys' love aspects kind of off-putting, but honestly, if it were about just a hetero couple, it would be just as emotional of a ride as it is with the BL story. And I honestly urge everyone to watch this show and the movie. The music by Sentimental is incredible. It's beautiful and meaningful and deep. The themes are relevant and relatable. The voice acting and the singing is phenomenal. The music and its animation, the instruments designs based on actual real instruments, the character designs. It's all there, it's all worth your time, and it's all worth your tears. I honestly love this show and movie more than I ever thought I would. But it just managed to reach into a part of me that no show has done recently. It honestly kind of reminds me of Nana. With the music, the LGBT aspect, the mature themes, mature romances and relationships in general. And Nana is very special, and Given is spectacular. It's becoming one of my favorite anime ever, so please give it a try. So yeah, that was my take on Given and the Given movie. Honestly, it's one of my favorite anime recently, and I find it beautiful, and I wish more people talked about it. I honestly have no one to talk about Given with, so I just had to make something where I express myself, even though I know that this video is very, very bad. The audio quality is the worst yet, and I am sorry to your ears if you actually managed to watch the whole thing. I just hope that I managed to convince at least one person to give this anime a try, because it's very well worth it. Anyway, thank you for checking out this video. I know it was horrible and it was very rushed and not much effort was put into it this time because I'm feeling not that great. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked whatever this was, feel free to like and subscribe, share the video around, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye!